Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Our today's topic is addition. Listen carefully. Addition is a process of combining or joining two sets of objects to find the total number of objects.
Look at the picture. There are 1, 2, and 3 butterflies. There are 3 flowers. Count them. Can you count the leaves? 2 butterflies were sitting on the flower. 1 more butterfly joined them. How many butterflies were there together? The answer is 3. So there were 3 butterflies all together. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.